I wanted to look for landscape design because it was important for me to have a space that felt like it was uniquely ours and not just cookie cutter like everybody else's, something that made me feel like it was home.
In the design, I think I really what I wanted was something customized though, that we could hang out with family, friends by the fireplace, football games out here with friends and cookouts, things like that, and just being able to enjoy the outdoors. While we would go out for walks in the evening, we would see signage for Beacon Landscapes. We just saw their work, thought it looked great, and we gave them a call.
I would say our first impression with the Beacon Landscape team was that they were all really professional. They were kind and courteous. They kept us informed about what they were going to do, cleaned up after themselves really well. They showed up when they were supposed to. And again, they're just, all of them are pretty nice guys. We just wanted to do something a little nicer than what the builders had put in for builder grade landscaping. And through talking to him and his design process, we also found out that he could widen our driveway for us, which we thought we were gonna have to hire someone else for. And that was a huge bonus that one person could do all of the work. And through conversation, we just mentioned we might wanna do something in the back, and it just went from there, really.
Yeah, he put together a VR package for us. They kind of told him what we wanted to do. We wanted to be able to keep the view. We wanted a fireplace.
But it was very seamless, being able to actually see and visualize and lay it out instead of just drawing out your idea or dream on paper.
I think what impressed me most about Beacon's service is, number one, the responsiveness. I think he was very easy to talk to when there were things that we did have concerns about, because when you do big projects, you see things coming together and you have questions. His team is really great. Same thing, like they were always very communicative about whatever they were doing, and that to me is the most important part, and I think a big selling point for Beacon.